All right, well, we're on site, so let's get this machine unloaded, dropped off. Brought the machine in the bin truck because we're in Toronto and it's a tight area. Well, it doesn't seem tight here, but getting in off the road is tight. She's a wee bit icy today. Dropping this machine off for our friends at Hawkins. This time of year, even when things are as nice and new as this one, you fucking gotta hope that they start. Get our ramps. That ramp took a bit of a beating yesterday. This one's all still in one piece. That's work for the fabricator. All right, here we go. There we go, we're in. Nice. Let's hope she starts up. Oh, tight squeeze when you're my size. So we gotta wait for the glow plugs. Temperature went down to like -10 last night or something. -2 right now. Wait for these glow plugs to warm up. There we go. Oh, and it started. We're in good shape. So it'll beep for a bit, give us a warning that it needs to warm up. And the forks are in the front, so we got to circle around, scoop out the forks, then back out. It's all a process. All right, there we go. Beeping stops, so we can move this thing now. Press the unlock button. These machines have ISO controls, which is not what I usually run. I'm a H pattern guy, but we will. Whoa, there we go. We're out. All right, let's see if we can circle around and get these forks out of here. Up the ramps. Gonna go way up in the air. And we're in. Back up a little bit. All right. Get under the forks. And hopefully we can bite them in the front of the bucket here. There we go. Got the forks picked up. This is the tricky part, getting out of the bin without dropping the forks. Oh yeah. Almost like we knew what we were doing here this morning. And there's not even anyone around to fucking see it. Bullshit. So we're gonna put this machine beside the client's office C-can here. And then we'll pin the forks down with the machine so there's nothing loose. happens sometimes using this method. Just got to be careful. Whoop. There we go. We're back in. We'll put the forks here. We will pin them down with the bucket so no one can steal them. Shut this thing off, bring our key with us. Oh. And we'll lock the door. Well, maybe we won't. Maybe the lock's frozen. Oh, that kind of sucks. Oh, there we go. We got a bit of movement here. Nope. Okay. Well, it's under a light and by the office, so maybe we'll heat that up with a lighter. We'll come back, heat it up, and make sure it's locked before we leave. Now we just got to pick up the ramps, close up the bin, pick the bin up off the ground, and we're out of here. That's a successful float move. Oh. We were hauling salt yesterday, so salt in the bin. We'll clean that out when we get back to the yard. Got to close these things in a certain order or they don't work. Lock up the chains. Now we'll go pick up the bin.